What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So if you watched my last video, I did my nail prep. Now I'm going to show you how I do a hard gel full set using dual forms. We're just going to hop right into it. So I've already prepped my nails. I'm going to put some nail dehydrator on it, on all my nails. Now that my nails are fully dehydrated, I'm going to go ahead and make sure I have the right sizes of dual forms for each nail. These are model ones that I found on Amazon, dual forms. I can put the link if you guys are interested in these forms that I used. So when I'm measuring my nails with the dual forms, I'm making sure that the dual forms cover my whole nail plate and maybe a little bit over. That way I can make sure that the product covers my whole entire nail bed. Now I'm just going in with some protein bond from Young Nails. I really love this stuff. I'll do this twice. Now I'm going to be taking the Synergy Gel base and I'm going to apply this to my nail plate. I'm just going to use one coat of this and I'm going to stick it under my UV light. This base acts like a two-sided tape to make sure that your nails stay on for a long amount of time. So basically it's a sticky tape. That's how I like to explain it to my clients. So your nails last longer. Alright, now that I've got the base applied, I'm going to stick it under my UV lights. This is UV LED light by Mia Secret, and you can stick it under for a minute. Alright, so our next step is going to be using the Concealer Pink Synergy Gel by Young Nails, and we are going to start using our dual forms. You want to make sure that you get a nice bead, ball, whatever you want to call this. I want to make sure that I have enough on there, and you're going to just basically slide it down the form, and you want to make sure that your side walls are going to be covered and that you're not going to have any light spots in your nail. Okay, so this is the tricky part. You want to make sure that you kind of push into the cuticle, but not too much. You see how it's squirting out? You want to make sure that before you stick this under the light, you clean around your cuticle and sidewall area, or you're going to have a mess to clean up. And you want to make sure that you clean from underneath your nail as well, to make sure that you don't have a glob of gel that was pushed from underneath. I forgot to mention that I didn't have any of the dual form holders. Basically, it holds your nail into place, the dual form into place while it is in the lamp, so it doesn't move. Alright, this next part is basically you're going to pinch your dual form, and you're going to see it kind of start to air up, and you can basically just twist it off and it lifts right up. Now if you guys can look closely, you can see that there is a little lift at my cuticle area, and that's because I didn't have it pushed down tight enough, and so it lifted up during when I had it in the light. So you want to make sure that you do hold on to your nail form until it is at least under the light for about 5 or 10 seconds, and then you can release it. Also guys, like I said a few minutes ago, you want to make sure that you go back underneath your nail and smooth it out before you actually get it underneath light, because it will clump up on you and it'll be hard to file down, or it's not hard to file down, but you'll have to go back and file that underneath your nail. And this is after I did all of my nails. You can see that some of the nails did come out light on the corners. That's fine, because I'm going to cover that up with glitter. If I was wearing these natural like this, I would go back and fill in the areas that are needed to be filled in, and that's going to happen with dual forms. It's just kind of a hit and miss, but you can see, you can kind of see my nail underneath, which I didn't mind because I knew that I was going to be wearing a color over this and some design work over it as well. So now I'm just cleansing my nails with the alcohol. You can also, I'm supposed to use the gel cleanser, but I couldn't find it then. But you want to make sure that you get that sticky layer off of your nails, so that way you can go ahead and file it. Alright guys, so when you're clipping down your nails into shape, you want to make sure that you're very careful, because this material is very fragile and it will break. It'll break in half. It can crack your nail in half and you'll have to start all over. So make sure that you're very careful and you don't go too far when you're clipping your nail. I actually prefer to file it into shape, but I wanted to see if I can get a better shape with me using my clippers. So right now you just see me filing my nails. I'm going to be doing this on all of them, and then I'll come back and show you with the drill. So right here I'm showing you where underneath my nail that glob formed, because I didn't brush it down before I put it under the light. So now you need to take your nail drill and use your sanding bit or another drill bit to get under there and clean that, to clean underneath your nail and make it look smooth and not clumpy. Alright, now I'm going to take my drill and use my safety bit. It's actually a fine safety bit, so I like using this on myself, especially when I'm using my opposite hand, just so I'm a little bit more careful. But I'm going around my cuticles and I'm going to be sanding the whole, going to be filing down the whole nail just to make sure all of the imperfections are perfected. And as you guys can see on that pinky, there was, I didn't get my form all the way down, so I'm gonna have to go back in with some Hardgel and fill that area in. Alright you guys, so that is it for this video. I'm gonna go finish my other hand, and I will have a new video up tomorrow with the design for these nails. I hope you guys are ready for that. And if you have tried Hardgel before, let me know down in the comment section. I really prefer Hardgel and polygel over acrylic or dip any day. I just love that they're lightweight and they last long. Anyways, you guys, I hope you guys are staying safe and staying at home so we can get through this pandemic together, but distancing ourselves at the same time. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and comment and like this video, and make sure you hit that bell button, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.